This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a stock report. First, clearly define the purpose of your report and who will be reading it. This helps tailor your content effectively. Next, gather all necessary data, including historical stock prices, company financial statements, and relevant news. Identifying key performance indicators, such as earnings per share or price-to-earnings ratio, is crucial for a comprehensive analysis. Once you have your data, begin with fundamental analysis to assess the company's financial health, looking at revenue, profit, and debt. Then, use technical analysis to study price trends and trading volumes, which can reveal market sentiment. It's also important to compare the stock's performance against its industry peers and broader market indices to provide context. Now, let's structure your report effectively. Begin with a concise executive summary that outlines your main findings and conclusions. Follow this with detailed sections for your fundamental and technical analysis, presenting your data and interpretations clearly. Finally, provide a clear recommendation, such as buy, sell, or hold, along with a thorough assessment of potential risks. When presenting your stock report, use clear and compelling visuals, such as charts and graphs, to illustrate complex data points effectively. Always maintain a professional tone throughout your report and double-check all details for accuracy. Remember, a well-presented report enhances credibility. Also, for more insights on managing your finances, check the description for a link to a great book and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.